Hey 30-minute marketers. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a PLR product called Top ClickBank Product Reviews 2020, PLR. Now this is private label rights to the top 50 ClickBank products that are currently up for sale and selling well. So what we have here in this awesome product, as you can see, there's 3 volumes. The first volume is 15 reviews, second volume is 25 reviews, and the third volume is 10 reviews, again across the top 50 products. So in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at every product that's in each volume. So stay with me. We'll take a look at that. We're also going to take a look at the sales page, what the sales page is promising, what it's not promising, and why this product is important to you as a marketer trying to sell products on ClickBank and needing content to help your audience find the solution to their problem, which we're talking about niche marketing and marketing ClickBank products. We're talking about that ClickBank product being the ultimate solution. So we're providing content that will help our audience and help our audience get to that ultimate solution, which is the ClickBank product that these reviews cover. So what's inside this awesome product and what's this awesome product about? Again, the top 50 reviews. And what you can see here on the screen are the front end. This is the first product that's for sale. This is the ClickBank product reviews, products ranked 1st to 15th. As you can see here, this covers everything from Lipitalk, Cinderella Solution, ClickBank University, Manifestation Magic, Organifi, down to Custom Keto, Unlock Your Hip Flexors, Back to Life, and Yoga Burn. So you're going to get all 15 of those when you purchase the front end. Of course, there's going to be an upsell, and the upsell is going to be 25 more ClickBank product reviews, products ranked 16th to 40th. And as you can see here, you got Easy Battery Reconditioning, Eat, Sleep, Burn, GoldOpinions.com, Truth About Abs, Numerologist.com, Scribble, Paleo Hacks, 15-minute manifestation, brain training for dogs, your manifestation code, and then you're going to have an upsell downsell. This is just volume 3. You get to volume 3 whether you buy volume 2 or not. And the thing here is you're getting the additional 10 ClickBank products, which take you from 41 to 50. As you can see here, you got Super Affiliate System, Eat the Fat Off, going all the way down to Oxidized Cholesterol Strategy, and the Sell Who Wholesale and Drop Shipping Directory. So really, as you can see here on the screen, it runs the gamut of the top 50 products that are on ClickBank that everyone's trying to promote in reality. But the issue here and the reason that this product is so great and so awesome is you're getting all 50 of these reviews, but these reviews are geared towards getting the buyer to buy based upon your review. So if you take a look at the sales page, what you're going to see is you're going to see right here, attention, are you struggling to write persuasive ClickBank product reviews? Build authority, provide value, and become a ClickBank star faster and easier than ever before. And you're going to see the benefits here. You're getting these reviews that are already well researched, and you're getting them for a super low price. But it's not just about the low price, it's the effective methods that these reviews, and as Arun has said here, informative reviews with a slight slant that favors the product. Now, the slight slant that favors the product, obviously if you're promoting the product, you want your review to be in favor of the product, otherwise you wouldn't be promoting it. And again, that's not to say that every review in here is something that you should promote. You should do that based upon your beliefs and whether or not the product works. This is just research that's done for you with a slight slant that favors the review. But at the end of the day, that's up for you and how you support your audience with this product, whether this product is good for your audience or not. I'm simply just presenting this private label rights package, this PLR content that Arun has put together, and it's great writing. And if you keep going down the sales page, you're going to be able to see that there's some great information here and all the work has been done for you. And you're going to see, again, the front end solution, the top 15 ClickBank products. The upsell is volume 2 and volume 3 that include all the other PLR reviews, again with a slight slant to favor the product. There's also a bonus here. Everyone gets this bonus, easy affiliate link list. This is where Arun's put together a PDF that lists all of the links that take you straight to the product's affiliate generator, so you can grab your hop link. And in here are the big highlights, the big benefits. No tedious writing required, no boring research needed, no hunting for affiliate links. Reviews written to convert visitors into buyers. This is key because this is the last step generally when you're talking about content marketing. When people are get to a review, the way these are written, if you use them as is, just tweak it to use your voice for a review on your site. people are looking to buy when they go and look at a review. Remember, this is usually the last step when people are looking at, hey, I want to know exactly what's in this product and I want to know what the guy I trust thinks about this product. I want to read the review because I'm just about ready to buy. Again, these reviews were written to convert those visitors into buyers. And of course, this content is all brand new and unique as of this launch. And as it says here, just insert your affiliate link in these reviews and you're good to go. Of course, we all know that's not the truth. Yes, you put your affiliate link in these reviews and you can use them as content, but don't think that you can just use them as is. With all private label rights content, even content that you purchase from a ghostwriter, you're going to have to play editor and you're going to have to read the review and you're going to have to understand how the review sounds to your audience to make sure that it's what you've been saying and exactly falls in line with the journey they've followed to get to your review, and that takes them to the next step. But it is really that simple. Step 1, 2, 3, insert your ClickBank affiliate links in reviews, post your reviews online, and promote them. This is the key that you always have to remember, and promote them. The work's been done. Arun has written these great reviews with that slight slant, but you are on the hook for promoting them. You are on the hook for traffic. Traffic is the key. We all know that we got to have traffic. Of course, here on the YouTube channel, I'll talk about that all the time. But Arun has done a great job on a sales page. He's kept the hype to a minimum, but still showing you all the benefits of this done-for-you content and the benefits of using PLR in reality. There's a great little tip here. You can cash in on the review articles. How you can cash in on these review articles: creating review sites, compiling the reviews, posting these reviews in several different places, offering a ClickBank review gig on Fiverr, and rewriting these articles. Because remember, this research has been done for you. That's the key thing about PLR. The research has been done for you. The slant and the angle is there for you. So all you have to do is take that slant and that angle and run with it. And you could use these to do your own gigs on Fiverr or to work with other people in the industry and rewrite these articles and use them to provide that content that everyone's looking for, to include me and you. Converting these articles into videos and much more, that's big, that's key. Something like Content Samurai, which we talk about here on the channel. Take these articles, convert them into video reviews. And of course, here is a sample for you to read. This will be on the sales page. Make sure you read this and make sure that this is the kind of content you're looking for. And also, the thing about this is a review with a slight slant to favoring the product, but you could also take this review and use it as content to say what are the benefits, what are the pros and cons, and you could actually also use this as an editorial style post or article, and you could use this in free organic traffic and posts on Facebook, as well as you could use these in paid traffic and doing Facebook ads. And that leads me into the bonus. Again, go through this sample here on the sales page. When you get to the sales page, after you click the link in the description and the pin first comment, that's going to take you over and show you the bonus that I'm going to be offering you. And of course, the bonus is going to be about how you go about getting traffic and how you go about marketing using PLR. Because this is high quality PLR, but the thing that you're missing here, even though this price is fantastic and you're getting high quality content to utilize as your own, the thing is you still need to know and understand how to go about driving traffic to these review articles. And again, that's going to be my bonus. That's going to be in the link in the description. It's going to take you over to the bonus page. So click on that, go over to the bonus page, and then when you land on this, you'll be able to see everything. Once you get to the sales page, there's some great reviews here. Make sure you read those, check it all out. And at the end, make sure you go down and you scroll through and you read the frequently asked questions. These, of course, will answer all your questions right here. You can read them here all on the screen while it's up. You could pause this, read this, ask me any questions here in the comments on the video. I'll be sure to answer those. And one final look at what you're getting, of course, in the front end, which is 15 ClickBank products ranked 1st to 15th. You can see here on the screen all those products. You can see volume 2 are products ranked 16th to 40th. You can see all the pages here, all the products here on the page, and then of course volume 3 is the final 10 that round out 41 to 50. Again, link in the description for my bonus. You can see the bonus video there where I walk through exactly what my bonus is, about how I'm going to get you inside a private paid mastermind, as well as some upcoming training from 30minutemarketing.net. And that is what Top ClickBank Product Reviews 2020 PLR. That's what this awesome product is about, volumes 1, 2, and 3. 15, 25, and 10, 50 brand new and updated for 2020 product reviews for the top ClickBank products that you can use as your own content on your review sites and ads and videos, anywhere and everywhere you produce content for your audience to help your audience find a solution for their problems. So if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Again, link in the description to the bonus page. Check out the bonus. The bonus is really what's going to make this product. The bonus is only going to be available during the launch. Once the launch is over, the bonus will be taken down. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the little 30-minute icon you see here on the end screen. Check out the videos here about PLR if you don't know exactly what PLR is. Those will answer all those questions. Again, check out the link in the description. Head over to the bonus page, check out my bonus for Top ClickBank Product Reviews 2020 PLR. I'm really excited about this. I'm going to be buying it myself to use over in the private mastermind group, as well as in the upcoming training that I have for you. And that's all I got for you today. I'll talk to you later. Bye.